Welcome to this video on the system control command. The system control command is a crucial utility in modern Linux distributions that use systemd as their init system. In this video, we will explore how to manage system services effectively. System control provides a powerful interface for controlling the system and its services, making it an essential tool for system administrators and developers alike. It covers service management, system control, the boot process, and checking the system status. Before diving into the specifics of the system control command, let's understand what systemd is. Systemd is a system and service manager for Linux operating systems. It is designed to replace the traditional systemd init system and provides enhanced capabilities for starting, stopping, and managing system services. Some of its key features include parallel service startup, on-demand service activation, service dependency management, logging with journalctl, and system state tracking. Let's begin with some basic system control commands. First, checking the service status. To check the status of a service, you can use the command systemctl status followed by the service name. For example, to check the status of the secure shell service, you would type systemctl status ssh. This command provides detailed information about the service, including its state, process identification number, memory usage, and recent logs. Next, starting and stopping services. To start a service, use the command systemctl start, followed by the service name. To stop a service, use the command systemctl stop, followed by the service name. Here are some more basic system control commands. First, restarting and reloading services. To restart a service, use the command systemctl restart, followed by the service name. For example, systemctl restart Nginx. This will stop and then start the service. To reload a service's configuration without interrupting its operation, use the command systemctl reload, followed by the service name, for example, systemctl reload Nginx. Next, enabling and disabling services. To enable a service to start automatically at boot time, use the command systemctl enable, followed by the service name, for example, systemctl enable MySQL. To disable a service from starting automatically at boot time, use the command systemctl disable, followed by the service name, for example, systemctl disable MySQL. System control allows you to list all available services, making it easier to manage them. Here is how to list all services regardless of their state, including those that have been loaded, activated, or have failed. Use the command systemctl list units. Type equals service, all. To list only the running services, use the command systemctl list units. Type equals service, state equals running. This command shows the active running services along with a brief description. Here are some advanced service management techniques using system control. To check if a service is active, use the command systemctl is active followed by the service name, for example, systemctl is active Nginx. This command returns active or inactive, indicating the service status. It is particularly useful for scripts to check the service status. For one-shot service execution, to enable and start a service in one command, use systemctl enable, now followed by the service name, for example, systemctl enable, now Nginx. Similarly, to disable and stop a service in one command, use systemctl disable, now followed by the service name, for example, systemctl disable, now Nginx. This combines two operations for efficiency. System control can also be used for system-level control operations. For system power management, to reboot the system, use the command systemctl reboot. To shut down the system, use the command systemctl power off. These commands require root privileges or sudo access. For system state management, to switch to rescue mode, use the command systemctl rescue. To suspend the system, use the command systemctl suspend. Be cautious when using these commands as they affect all users and services on the system. To effectively manage services with systemd, It's crucial to understand service files. Service files define how systemd manages services, including dependencies, execution parameters, and restart behavior. The service files are typically located in /etc/systemd/system/. Here is an example service file. Unit section. Description equals provides a human-readable description of the service. After equals specifies the dependencies, ensuring that the service starts after the specified target, such as network.target. Service section. Type equals defines the service type, with simple being a common choice for straightforward applications. Execstart equals specifies the command to start the service. Restart equals defines the restart policy such as onFailure, which restarts the service if it exits with a non-zero exit code. Install section. Wanted by equals specifies the target that this service should be started as a part of, such as multi-user target for a typical system. Systemd uses journalctl for centralized logging, making it easier to view and manage service logs. For basic log viewing, to view logs for a specific service, use the command journalctl, followed by the service name, for example, journalctl Nginx.service. To follow logs in real time, use the command journalctl, followed by the service name, for example, journalctl Nginx.service. For filtering log output, to show logs since yesterday, use the command journalctl since yesterday USSH. To show only error messages, use the command journalctl USSH. These powerful filtering options can help troubleshoot issues effectively. Let's summarize the best practices. Always check the service status before and after making changes. Use enable and disable for boot persistence. Check logs when troubleshooting issues. Create custom service files for your applications to manage them effectively. Here are the key takeaways from this video. System control is the primary interface to systemd. Services can be managed with simple commands. Service files define behavior and dependencies. journalctl provides access to centralized logs. Here are some further resources. MySQL, systemd.service 5, systemd unit 5. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.